All right, here we go. Testing out the 5-minute first bar system. This is the bar right here. It's 9:35 a.m. The date for this test is, I have no idea. Where did I move it? Oh, Monday, October 20th. Already did, what was it? Already tested out October 27th all the way through the 31st. Profitable every day there. Wednesday, it was FOMC. That's the interest rate decision. So it was a choppy, pretty bad day to try that strategy. Today is Monday the 20th. I'm going to run some tests and see what the results are. So I already marked down the zones. This is the high right here. This is the low. If it breaks the high, we're looking for price to come back in and give you an entry up. If it breaks the low, we're waiting for price to go back up and give you an entry down. That's it. Simple, easy. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we have a little breakout right here. We just broke up. Now, like I said, we're just keeping it simple for the test purposes. I'm going to ignore the fact that R1 is right here or that my system is showing something else. We're just going to keep it super, super chill, super simple. Okay. Let's see what happens. Waiting for it to come back down, if it comes back down. Just want to note that my own system is already showing reasons to start going short, but I'm ignoring everything. We're following the rules exactly as I said before. Hello. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we get an entry to the long side. I want to slow this down because I don't want to miss the entry. The bars are closing in. It's already back in the 5-minute range. We're just waiting to see if we get an entry. This could be a bull. Well, let me not get too technical. But realistically, we call it a bull flag. If it breaks to the upside, according to the rules, and we go for the long, right? There's one. This one tiny break, and we just need it to break right up there, and that's it.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay. You're in a long right here, and let's see if this gives you a profit or a loss. All right. If I were to take the stop of this bar, of the 5-minute bar, from down there, that'd be insane. That'd be 372 ticks. There. So we're gonna keep it simple. If it breaks the bottom of these bars, that would be the first exit right there. So that gives you a much better risk reward. That's 97 ticks. That's fine. 97 ticks will be right up there in 1-to-1. And oh, there you go. That's first profit right there with a star. I would have closed it right there. For testing purposes, we're going to keep it going. But that's already your first profit target right there. At R1, a star, just take it and move on. There's no need to hold on to this. You take a nice $400 win, whatever that, look, 400 right there, 500, 500 and 600. Take it and you move on. But for testing purposes, I'm going to just trail it. You already took the 400, 600. If it breaks below, we are gone. Okay, so that wasn't bad. The first profit, closing it out, was about $500-600. How many ticks is that? Oh yeah, there you go, like 6, that's 100 ticks. So you enter the trade over here, like I said, this little area, and you exit right below. So it was a pretty much 1-to-1. According to the guy's rules, you hold on to the trade for 300%. That means 3 times. Let's just call it 3 times. So 3 times risk reward would be putting a number 3 right here, and it'll show you where the target would really be. Okay, so taking a trade right here, like I said before, taking this trade right here, which we'll just take another one. Remember, this is just for testing, replay. There's nothing on the line. It's just experience with a system that might be good or might not be good. I don't know yet. The results are looking really good. So you enter the trade here, according to the guy on the IG, whatever his name is. If the risk is here, I'm going for 300%. 300% would be up there. Look, that'd be the target. Obviously, through regular trading, I would just take my profits and get out. $600 in a few minutes sounds awesome. For testing purposes, we have to just let it ride. So I'm gonna set a. Let me close this all out. Okay, I'm gonna set my first target right there.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna see if it reaches anywhere near that before it reaches down here. This will be the stop. Anything. You know what? I gotta relook at his video. He didn't really talk about stop, did he? But I'm gonna put that the exit should be down here. Yeah. Exit right there. If it reaches down there, you're already messed up. I'm gonna leave the trade alone. I'm gonna see if it goes to the 300% mark. Even 200% would be nice, but that'd be 200 right here. I'm gonna mark these down. 200%, that's a 2-to-1 risk reward. 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. And that's it. Let's see what happens. Any professional trader will tell you as soon as you're deep in profit, like you've been right here, you should have been protecting it. So even right now, we're another 100 and something ticks. The loss should be gone. Yes. So just watching this over and over again, I'm watching it. Is it going to hit 200%? Because I would take 200. Oh, now at this point, I would, no matter what, I'm covering it
Order
right
submitted.
there. And
Order submitted.
I took profit at 200.
Order filled.
That's it. That's 200% risk, a 200% return on your risk. I see it worth it. I don't know any reasons to really keep going, but let's go. Here's his ultimate target right up there. Let's see if it reaches 300 before it still hits the stop. And remember, if you were in this trade, you should not allow this, regardless, to go back down and take you out completely. You would set it, trail it, and get something out of it. So let's speed this up. 50x. Let's speed it up. And with the trail been hit, let's go. It dropped back. Oh, that's another entry long right there, actually. I would have gone long again right there. Ooh. Okay, wow. So long right there, you get another 100 and something points. Gosh damn, this is freaking amazing. All right, keep going. Pullback, entry. All right, so I'd still be long in this trade. The new one. Remember, at this point I would have been out. No matter what, I would take my profit at 200. Now you're back in another trade right there, and that trade hit 300%. Shit, you got it. Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There it goes. Let's delete some of these things. So this is Monday. Following the rules without looking at anything else on my system, nothing. Just keeping it super simple. Remember, this little line is 200% return. That's a 300% return if you take the trade right here, the way it's supposed to be, right there. So you enter there, you risk. I got to look at his videos to see for risk. Me, I would just put the risk right here. So 100 ticks. At 100 ticks, I personally would protect, because it makes no sense to let that go back 100 ticks against you, and that'd be insane. That's about 25 points. No, that's 20 points, sorry. So take it. If you see another reason to enter, you would take it. Bam. There's the 200% return. I would just take which I did, took the profit, close it out, and you're done. As it goes down here, you could keep looking for reasons to go long, because this is still long. I saw the long. This is a bull flag. I saw a long right there. I would have gladly taken it. The risk is right there. 83 ticks. And you're going for, bam, 160. That's another 200% trade. Following the same direction as the 5-minute, the first 5-minute bar, which is the point of this whole test. We're just following the direction of the 5-minute bar. Interesting. So that takes care of Monday, the 20th. Not bad. 900 bucks, not allowing full profit. 900 bucks. Not bad at all. Take care. The test for Monday, the 10/20th is completed, because at that point I would just be done.